Today we will discuss another types of problem by the method of least square. Okay, that means there are some special types of functions are given, how we fit them in the curve. Okay, there are some special types of function are given, and we will construct a curve by the using of given data. Okay, here question is, fit a curve of the form y equal to a into x to the power b to the following data by the method of least square. X equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, y equal to 27.8, 62.1, 110, 161. And this is a function. This function is called power functions or geometric function. Okay. So solution. Let the equation of the fit be y equal to a into x to the power b. Okay, taking log both side with base 10. You can take logarithm both side with base e. Okay, no problem. So taking logarithm both sides with base 10, we get taking log both side, we get log y, log 10 is a base, log y, log 10y equal to log of ab means log a plus log b. This is a result. So log of a into x to the power b means log 10a plus log 10 x to the power b. Okay, so log 10y equal to log 10a plus log of x to the power b means b log x. This is also result. Log, so b into log 10x. Since log 10 ab equal to log 10a plus log 10b and log 10 x to the power b equal to b log 10a. Okay, using this result we get this. Let this is equal to capital Y. Let this is equal to capital Y. This is a constant log 10a, where a is also constant, 10 is also constant. So this is constant. Let this constant denoted by a, capital A, plus, so this is this is denoted by x, so b into capital X. Okay, so where y, capital Y equal to log 10y, a equal to log 10a, okay, and x equal to log 10x. Clear? This is denoted by capital Y, this is denoted by capital A, this is denoted by capital X. So we get, ultimately we get capital Y equal to a plus bx. This is the equation of straight line. Y equal to a plus bx. This is the equation of straight line. So normal equations for fitting a straight line, we already discussed what is the normal equation for fitting a straight line. Okay, now we will fit this straight line. Okay, then the given data becomes, then the given given data becomes, then the given data becomes then the given data becomes when small y equal to 27.8, we get log 10 27.8, we get this is x, this is y. So first x, when small x equal to 2, then capital X becomes log 10 log 2 base 10. So value of log 2 base 10 is, after calculation, 0.30103. Okay, here x is 2 and capital X is log 2 base 10 since x is 2. So for value of small x equal to 2, we get the value of capital X. So capital value of capital X is log 2 base 10. Similarly, when small x equal to 3, we get capital X equal to 0.47712. Okay, when small x equal to 4, then capital X is log 3 base 10. So capital X is 0.60206. Okay, when small x equal to 5, then capital X is log 5 base 10. So capital X is 0.69897. Okay, similarly, when small y equal to 27.8, then capital Y equal to log 27.8 base 10. So capital Y equal to log 27.8 base 10. So value of the log 27.8 base 10 is 1.444004. Similarly, when y equal to 62.1, then the value of log 62.1 base 10 is 1.79309. Okay, when small y equal to 110, then value of capital Y equal to log 110 base 10. So 2.04139. When capital small y equal to 161, then capital Y equal to log 161 base 10. So capital Y equal to 2.020.683. Okay, now using this data, we fit this tail line. Using this data, we will fit this tail line. So normal equation for fitting a tail line B, we already discussed what is a normal equation for fitting a straight line. So there are two normal equations since there are two unknown. So number of unknown equal to number of normal equations. Please remember this. Number of unknown equal to number of normal equations. So there are two unknown, so there are two normal equations. We already discussed. So for normal equations for fitting a straight line. So normal equation for fitting a straight line, y equal to a plus bx is b summation over xi square plus a summation over xi equal to summation over xi yi and b summation over xi plus n into a equal to summation over yi. There are two normal equations. So normal equation are hence the normal equations are this: b summation over xi square plus a into summation over xi equal to summation over xi yi and b summation over xi plus n into a equal to summation over I yi. Okay, now we will find the value of xi square, xi summation xi square, summation xi, summation xi yi, summation yi. Now we will draw a table. Now we will construct a table. So this is the table. This is table. So this is xi, this is yi, this is xi yi, this is xi square. Okay, so first we put this value x and y. So x is 0.30103. So x is 0.30103 and y is 1.44404. After putting this value of x and y, we get after putting this value of x and y in this table, ultimately we get this. So xi into yi means this into this is equal to 0.4347008. Then the value of xi into yi this, x1 x2 into y2, this is x2, this is y2. So x2 into product of these two number is 0.855552. So product of these two number is 1.2290409. Product of these two number is 1.5425051. Then xi square, this square, we get 0.09069191. This x2 square means this square. So value of this square is 0.2276447. The value of x3 square, means value of 0.60206 square. So it's 0.3624762. Value of this square, export square, this is export. So we get 0.4885591. Then summation xi. This plus this equal to 2.0791. Get this is 918. So summation y equal to this plus this 1 on y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. We get 7.48535. So value of summation xi yi, we get this plus this. We get 4.061769. The value of this square, summation xi square, this plus this, we get 1.169291. Hence the normal equation becomes, putting this value xi square, summation xi square, summation xi yi, summation yi, we get, then the normal equation becomes after putting this value we get this summation xi square into b. So summation xi square is this. So 1.169291 into b plus a into summation xi, this 2.07918 a equal to summation xi yi equal to 4.061769. Second equation becomes b into summation xi. Here summation xi is this. So 2.07918 into b plus n into a. Here number of data is 4. So here n is equal to 4. So 4 into capital A equal to summation yi. So value of summation yi is 7.48. So 7.48535. Okay. So after calculation, by the help of calculator, we get solving this is 1, this is 2. So solving 1 and 2, we get small b equal to 1.930161 and capital A equal to 0.868050. Okay. Here question is this: y equal to a into x to the power b. So we get the value of small b, but for finding the value of small a, the relation between small a and capital A is capital A equal to log a base 10. Okay, so small a equal to 10 to the power a. Since the relation between capital A and small a is capital A equal to log a base 10, so small a equal to 10 to the power a. Okay, since here question is y equal to a x to the power small b, we already calculate the value of small b. For finding the value of small a, so value of small a is 10 to the power capital A. Okay, where capital A equal to this. So since capital A equal to log a base 10, then small a equal to 10 to the power capital A. So 10 to the power this means after calculation we get small a equal to 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power 0.868050, we get the value of a equal to 7.379892. Okay, by the help of calculator we get the value of small a. So hence here question is fit a curve y equal to a x to the power b. Okay, so the required fit for the given data is y equal to a. This is the value of a. So 7.379892 into x to the power b. So value of b is this. So x to the power 1.930161. Okay, so this is the required result. Clear? Very easy but lengthy.